The state health department reporting another jump in cyclosporiasis cases. More than 7,000 people have now tested positive in Michigan. The CDC confirms 4,100 cases in 41 states, with another 7,000 cases pending laboratory confirmation. The outbreak spurring lots of questions as investigators continue to track the source. Among them, how can I protect myself when eating out? Well, our Dr. Nandi joins us live with some practical tips. What say you, Dr. Nandi?
Hi, Mike. So, listen, I highly recommend that asking a few simple questions when dining out. Right now, one of the biggest concerns is eating shredded iceberg lettuce. And even though there was a false positive lab result, the CDC still says to not to eat the recalled iceberg lettuce from Taylor Farms that may be purchased from retail stores or served in restaurants. So if you're ordering salads, for example, I order salads a lot. Tacos, sandwiches, or burgers that contain lettuce, please don't be afraid to ask your server where that lettuce came from. You want to make sure that it hasn't been affected with any recalls. You can also ask how they prepare it, or you can ask them to hold the lettuce entirely. It's up to you. Another option is to choose a dish that's fully cooked. I like that because cyclospora cannot survive temperatures of 158 degrees or higher. So cooked produce is generally a safer choice than raw. Now, if you're at higher risk, that means older adults, pregnant women, or people with weakened immune systems, you may want to talk with your family doctor to see if additional precautions may be needed.
All right, fair. Now, Michigan health officials say other food items cannot be completely ruled out. Should people avoid or cut back on eating fruits and vegetables?
Yeah, so a short answer is no. Some of my patients actually, Mike, have actually said that they've stopped or completely cut back on produce altogether. And here's what I tell them. Fruits and vegetables are a super important part of a healthy diet. Instead of cutting them out, I recommend that we follow good safety practices and buy whole heads of lettuce, remove and discard the outer leaves, and then wash the remaining leaves under clean running water. And then with firm produce like cucumbers or melons, use a produce brush to scrub them. Be sure to cut out any bruised or damaged areas and refrigerate produce as soon as you can. And peel those fruits and vegetables whenever you can. Removing the skin is a very effective way because since the parasite typically remains on the exterior, if you choose pre-packaged salad mixes, know that pre-wash, quote unquote, right? It says it on the outside. Doesn't mean it's completely safe. And washing it again may not completely remove cyclospora. And of course, always wash your hands with soap and water and after handling any food, and be sure to clean and sanitize all your utensils and surfaces. Again, I don't recommend that you stop eating fruits and vegetables. I think they provide a lot of health benefits, and instead follow food safety precautions, the protocols, and stay up to date as public health recommendations really continue to evolve. And we'll keep that up to date and let you know right away.
All right, we appreciate your level-headedness. As always, thank you, Dr. Nandi. Now, if you have a question, you can email him, Dr. Nandi at drnandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook. Hallie,